what do you think is one of the most helpful things for couples to bridge and get back that physical intimacy after feeling so disconnected, or after physical intimacy, sex has become this huge source of tension now?
I mean, I think the way that you approach the conversation with your spouse is really important. I like to say, use the we language or I language, like, I miss you. Like, I got married to you because I think you're a really amazing person. And I feel like we've just been on two different planets. And I long to like hang out with you and get to know you again. And I just miss you. You're one of my best friends. Like, I think if people approached it that way more, I think the conversation would go better. I think that people come to the conversation with their own pain and they don't know. And they realize that if they're lonely, chances are their spouse is actually feeling lonely, whether they've thought about it or admitted it or they've busied themselves. But I think that starting a really a positive conversation like that is essential. Offering up tools like, hey, I found this amazing, relationship renovation podcast. And I think it'd be great for us to listen to it on our own and then talk about it. Offer up ideas and also say, do you have any ideas? Let your spouse also come up with ideas on how to get back on track. Because I see this with women a lot. They have their one thing, therapy. Like, we need to go to therapy. Okay, let's be honest. Most men are never going to go. Sorry. I hope it changes in our lifetime. The stats don't show that it's changing too much. But men are very hesitant to go. And so I think also offering up, these are some of my ideas. Do you have ideas for us to get back on track? Because I miss you. Keep it positive.
And a team effort.
Yes, not you're the problem. We have issues. Doomsday. If you do that, I've learned, especially if your husband's anything like mine, who is very fun and positive, if you go in very negative, doomsday, they're not going to want to do anything that you suggest.
I love that, because that I language too, because it has like, it feels energetically like a open arms, it's like, hey, I guess that's what's dangerous about it, emotionally dangerous for that person too, is they don't always feel safe to do that. But it's like taking that risk of like, I really do miss you. This isn't about me resenting you. This isn't about me thinking that you're a jerk or you get it all wrong. It's just that I miss you that much, and I don't think that message gets across.